In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a monthly membership on Stan Store. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand panel and click on My Store. This is where you'll see your store header along with a list of any products you've already created. To set up your membership, click the Add Product button. A menu will appear showing all the different product types you can create. From this list, select Recurring Membership. That's the option specifically designed for ongoing monthly payments. You'll now be taken into the product editor. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of what your product will look like to customers. And in the center, you'll see all the product settings you can customize. Start by setting up your thumbnail. First, choose a style. You can pick either a button layout or a callout layout, depending on the look you prefer. Then add an image by clicking Choose Image. You can either select from the existing image options inside Stan Store or click Upload Image to add one from your own computer. Try to choose a clear, on-brand image that matches your membership's theme. Next, add your course or membership title. Keep it short, memorable, and focused on the outcome your members will get. Below that, add a subtitle that clearly explains the value in 1 or 2 sentences, what people receive and how it will help them. Then edit your button text. Use 1 to 3 action-oriented words that encourage people to take immediate action, like join now or start growing. When you're happy with how this looks, click Next. Now you're on the checkout page settings. Here you can again add an image by clicking Choose Image, either from Stan Store's options or by uploading your own. Then write your description body. Keep it short, clear, and benefit-focused. Start with a sentence that explains what the membership is and who it's for. Follow with 1 or 2 sentences highlighting the key benefits or what members get access to. You can finish with a reassuring note or a simple call to action. Remember, rich text is supported here, so you can format your text and even embed an image, a video, or a link if needed. Scroll down to edit your bottom title and the call to action button on the checkout page so everything is consistent and compelling. Next, set your price. Enter the main membership price. If you want to offer a discount, toggle on the discount option and type in the discounted amount in the field that appears. Then, customize the duration and billing cycle. Open the drop-down under Recurring and choose how often you want to bill: yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily. For a standard membership, you'll usually choose monthly. You can also toggle on Cancel Subscription After if you want the membership to automatically end after a certain period, and then select from the available options up to 24 months, or leave it as unlimited. After that, adjust the information you're collecting from customers. By default, name and email are already included and can't be removed, since you need those to manage your members. If you want to gather more details, click Add Field. From there, you can include fields like phone number, free text, multiple choice, drop-downs, or checkboxes. Only add what you truly need to avoid overwhelming people at checkout. Once everything looks good in your preview and you're satisfied with your settings, go to the bottom right corner and click Publish. Wait a moment for the page to reload. You should see a confirmation message appear at the top, letting you know your monthly membership is now live and ready for customers to join.